Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 14 round trampoline with safety enclosure. This round trampoline with safety enclosure is ideal for both children and adults. It can provide you with a lot of fun. Also, it can improve the coordination, balance, and agility for your kids. High quality with a competitive price can be realized here. Just drop everything and enjoy a good family fun time. Don't hesitate to take it to your home. Highlights: heavy-duty 4-step galvanized steel ladder offers more convenience. Ideal for physical training or entertainment for the entire family indoors and outdoors. Safe play basketball hoop provides extra entertainment for your children. Tighten the enclosure to the bottom frame and wrap the band twice around the top can prevent enclosure from coming loose. Advantages: 1. Totally new item. 2. We produce this item in a big factory which has a low damage and defective rate. 3. Compared with the same quality, the price is competitive. The useful specifications are for some specification. If you cannot find from the video, please contact our sales via Dana's website. Product dimensions: 10.8 HX14 WX14 DFT. Item weight: 168 pounds. Specifications: type: backyard, above ground. Trampoline diameter: 168. Net pole height: 78. Mat height: 129. Max weight capacity: 330 pounds. Location: outdoor use only. UV resistant. UV resistant pad. Safety net enclosure included. Yes. Number of safety poles: 6. Number of entrances: 1. Zipper closure: yes. Inner/outer enclosure: inner enclosure. Number of support legs: 6. Weather cover included. No. Anchor kit included. No. Storage bag included. No. Safety pad included. Yes. Pad material: PVC. Springless. No. Spring count: 72. Handlebar included. No. Shape: round. Age group: 3 years. Frame material: steel. Jump surface material: polypropylene. Additional configuration: basketball hoop, ladder. Rust resistant: yes. Weather resistant: yes. Country of origin: China. Level of assembly: full assembly needed. Adult assembly required: yes. Digging required to install: no. Product warranty: yes. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment, sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen2gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.